Hi, my name is Jatin Kawa. I am the son of Mr. Harkishan Kawa, who was a Parkinson's patient. He's living a normal life, and I feel he's just perfect.
नमस्ते जी, मेरा नाम हरकिशन विठलदास कावा है और मैं यहाँ पार्किंसंस के बीमारी के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ जो मुझे 10 साल पहले हुआ था। स्टार्टिंग में मेरा एक ये उंगली हिलता था, थोड़ा हल्का हल्का। काम मेरा स्लो चल होता था, मेरा ड्रेसअप करने का भी तकलीफ़ होता था। तो फिर मैं डॉक्टर को बताया तो उन्होंने डिटेक्ट किया कि भाई आपको तो पार्किंसन है। पार्किंसन जो मेरा था वो वर्स्ट डे बाय डे वर्स्ट होता गया था। चाय का कप उठाना, चाय पीने में भी तकलीफ़ होती थी, गिर जाता था, दाने में तकलीफ़ होता था, ये सब तकलीफ़ें होती थी।
2020 में बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था उनको कोरोना के टाइम में, इतना कि वो अपने आप वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे।
Patient can have a maximum dosage of 13 medicines in a day, and Dad over the years had reached to the stage of 10 medicines, 10 dosages a day, which means he was only 3 dosages far to reach the maximum. Beyond that, no matter how much his sufferings increase, he cannot increase the dosage. Somewhere down the line, I thought over the years, we needed a change with the doctor. I came across Reliance Foundation Hospital through a friend who was treating his father there. I was pretty much convinced with the infrastructure and everything when I had gone there to see his father. That's when I thought, let me give it a shot for Dad's treatment at Reliance Foundation Hospital at the neurology department. So that's when our journey started with Dr. Arun Shah at HN Reliance Hospital. On the day of appointment, I can never forget that when we went to meet Dr. Arun Shah, the way he welcomed us, I think that really somewhere it clicked. You know, the relationship was established on that warmth that he created at that moment. So that was the first time, I would say, in such a big hospital, a mentor of a department who gave us more than 20 minutes of his time, listening calmly to all our problems from the start. Then as I felt like, we are in a counseling session, because he asked us to go out as a family and he was just talking to Dad. So he wanted to know from him directly what he was going through, which was a fantastic idea. Dr. Arun Shah did a lot of change in his medicines, introduced new medicines in his course, and we could see that Dad is feeling the change. He himself was feeling the change. While he was on the 10th dosage, that's when Dr. Arun Shah prompted us कि 70 to 80% आपको राहत मिलेगा. Your medicine dosage will drastically go down and his lifestyle will improve. Now these are the 3 things that we were looking for, and this is what he was telling us. So for us it was a fairy tale story, to be honest, because we never knew this thing could exist. So yeah, the time came and doctor told us that we have a slot available, would you like to go ahead with it? So yeah, we went ahead with this operation.
उन्होंने मेरे को एग्ज़ामिन किया और बताया कि अभी एक नया सर्जरी निकला है, DBS, वो आप करवा लीजिए। तो फिर हम लोग ने सबने घर में चर्चा विचारणा किया तो बताया गया कि इसमें खर्चा भारी है। तो मैंने मेरे लड़के लोग को बोला रहने दो। तो बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं नहीं, पैसा तो आनी जानी है, कमा लेंगे। तो मैं फिर बच्चों को बात किया, बच्चे लोग ने मुझे बताया पापा आप खाली ऑपरेशन कर लो। मैं अपने आप कपड़ा पहन लेता हूँ, मेरा काम मैं करता हूँ। इन शॉर्ट मेरा बाल बनाना, बेड बनाना, खाने का वो खिलाती थी, और नींद सोने के लिए भी मेरे को टाइम लगता था, तो सुला देती थी हमको दवाई देके। लेकिन लाइफस्टाइल जो है पूरा मेरा वो पहले जैसे रेगुलर जीवन जीता था वैसा हो गया।
There are some lows, but yeah, ठीक है, we call the doctor and they give us guidance. I would especially want to extend my thanks to Dr. Dr. Ishu Goyal from the neurology team. She's constantly in touch. During the phase of the operation, post-operation, for I think about a few months, if I did not contact her for 10-15 days, she would upfrontly message me and ask on WhatsApp, how is uncle doing? I think that personal touch also matters a lot. For a patient's journey, a personal touch matters a lot. The more so when such a big operation, such an extensive operation has happened, a very welcoming doctor, a very warm doctor also matters. There are times when he needed an immediate look from the way he's walking or the way his hand movements had become abrupt. So doctor used to just say कि हाँ ठीक है, वीडियो कॉल कर लो, आप दूर रहते हो, आने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So they were so kind. I don't think any doctor that I have come across would do a video call for free. One of the biggest changes is the dosage from 10 is down to 4. That's a massive 60% reduction. I think that's what has really changed life. Not for him alone, but for all of us as a family. We can now go out. We are living like a normal family. Earlier, like I said in the start of the video, that there was a patient staying in our house. Now I don't feel that. He's perfectly fine and we're all happy. There's no patient in the house.
मेरा जो दिनचर्या है अभी का, वो सवेरे में 8 बजे उठता हूँ, दवाई लेता हूँ डोज, फिर बाथ जाता हूँ नहाने के लिए, फिर पूजा पाठ करके भगवान को नमस्ते करके सीधा ऑफिस पहुँच जाता हूँ। दोस्तों से मिलता हूँ, वॉक लेने जाता हूँ, योगा भी करता हूँ और ज़िंदगी जीने का मज़ा ले रहा हूँ।